Synthetic nature. I wait for the waves to withdraw into the sea and walk up to the water's edge. I close my eyes and dig my toes into the damp sand as a wave of chilly water envelopes my feet. The dawn's frosty tide wakes my nerves, its icy sting awakening my conscience. A moment of calmness, broken, as my eyes fall upon the heaps and heaps of forgotten bottles and lost plastics. I shudder and watch the waves slowly inch upon the sand, taking with it these plastics as it pulls back into the sea. The plastics float along the mother's pool of tears, her sorrows so vast, the droplets from her eyes filled the earth, and the waters turned salty with her disgust of our ignorance. But we have long silenced the cries of the mother, continually muting her for our self-gain. Plastics, the existence of such entities, fueled by our dirty demand for these dirty fuels, feeding our relentless greed and undying consumption. We have placed the mother on the altar, alongst with the waves, the land, and the seabirds, scattered at her tide ankles. A justifiable slaughter, a small sacrificial offering. For what? At what cost? And so I drop to my knees and look beyond the hopeless horizon. And yet, I see the early morning fog, the majestic mountain range, the golden sunrise. I feel the crisp autumn wind pass my cheeks, and the meadows flushed with orange, pink, and purple, the waterfall gracing down the jagged mountain. Oh, this cannot be it. We cannot let this all go. And so hand in hand, we must spark our nation to the roads of restoration. The damage is done. Mother's wounds are open. But continue no more fixating on this fixation. Get into formation. We will write our own narration. Let the sphere of mutation be our liberation. And restore. We are the encore.